Go. Yo, Ashara, Lorraine. Dito nga ako sa top ng China, you know, sa Great Wall. Babalik na ako dyan, siguro bukas. Nakakatuwa dito, ang lamig. Tapos na-reach ko na yung top. So, makikita mo yung view. Check this out, yung view, ang ganda talaga. Kasi, pababa dyan, pababa doon sa pinakabundok. Makikita mo yung wall kung paano siya na-construct. So makikita mo ang daming lahi dito, may Chinese, mayroong Indonesian, may Filipino, may Malaysian, maraming lahi. And that is Alice, that's Alice, one of the sales rep here. Miss Sir Alvin, yeah, reach on top. And there's the driver of the company, say hi! Yeah, really happy that we're reached this level. So we're not considered hero.
Sa misis ko,
yeah,
sa misis ko, someday dadaling kita rito. This is our dream. Nakamit ko na, kaya natin dalawa to.
Yeah.
Go for gold.
Hindi naman mapagsabi makapunta kami dito. Maybe some other time. Sama kita dito ring. Sama natin si Baby Ashara, okay? Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. To all RPGM people.
飞机我爱你，飞机。
Yeah. Ashara, Lorraine, kuha ni.
My wife, why also?
RPGM, kuha ni.
Why?
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!
Why?
Woo! Peace.